Struggling to add Google Tag Manager to your Namecheap site? I will show you exactly where to click to get it done in under 5 minutes. We will start in the Namecheap website builder, then walk through the integrations panel to paste your Google Tag Manager code and save. Let me walk you through it right now. First, open your Namecheap dashboard and launch the website builder. You want to find the section where you edit or create your websites. This is where all the magic happens for your site. Now, click the highlighted area to open your site editor. You will see a pencil icon or an edit button. Just go ahead and click that to get inside the actual builder where you can make changes. In the editor, find and click the Integrations tab. It is usually on the left-hand side menu. The icons can be small, so look for the one that says Integrations. This is where Namecheap lets you connect all those third-party tools. Scroll down and select Google Tag Manager from the list. You might have to scroll a little bit to find it. It is right there alongside other popular services. Once you see it, give it a click. Now, enter your site URL and choose the web platform. This is a really important step. You need to type in the full web address for your site, and make sure you select web from the options. This tells Google Tag Manager what kind of container you are setting up. Next, click the highlighted field to proceed. This just moves you forward in the setup process. You will see a new section pop up where you can actually paste your code. Grab your Google Tag Manager container code and paste it into the body section. You can find this code in your Google Tag Manager account. It starts with a script tag. Copy the entire thing and paste it into the field labeled for the body code. This is the part that actually makes the connection work. Then, click the highlighted area to confirm. This just verifies that you have placed the code correctly. Finally, hit Save to apply the integration. Give it a second to process, and just like that, you are done. Google Tag Manager is now live on your Namecheap site. You are ready to start deploying tags and tracking your conversions.